Students, today I give you HS second year maths chapter number 1 relation and function. Now let's start the chapter. In class HS first year, all of you know about relation, definition of relation. Now we discuss about types of relation. What type of relation are there? So first we discuss empty relation. What is empty relation? A relation R in a set A is called empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A. Therefore, R equal 5, which is belongs to A into A. All of you know about 5. 5 means what? Empty. Now we discuss about universal relation. Universal relation is what? A relation R in a set A is called universal relation if each element of A is related to every element of A. Therefore, R equal A into A means, now see, in empty relation R equal 5, which is belongs to A into A, and in universal relation R equal A into A means all element of A into A have in the relation. Now we see another type of relation. A relation R in a set A is called reflexive if A comma A is belongs to R. For all A belongs to A means, for example, if we take a set A equal 1, 2, then what? If R equal 1, 1, 2, 2, then all of you see all element of A is related to itself in the relation R. So R is reflexive. All of you understand? Now symmetric. When we call a relation symmetric, if AB belongs to R, then if BA also belongs to R, for all AB belongs to A. Suppose A equal 1, 2. If R equal a relation where 1, 2, 2, 1, see AB belongs to R means 1, 2 belongs to R. So BA means 2A, 1 also belongs to R. Therefore what? R is symmetric. Symmetric. Understood? Now we see third one is transitive. If AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then if AC belongs to R, for all ABC belongs to A is called transitive. For example, if A equal 1, 2, 3 have and R equal, suppose R equal 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 have, see 1, 2 and 2, 3 have, so we get what? 1, 3. Therefore 1, 3 belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. All of you understood? R is transitive. All of you understand when a relation is called reflexive, symmetric and transitive? Now we see what is equivalent relation. When a relation is called equivalent relation. A relation R in a set A is said to be equivalent relation if R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. For example, if A equal 1, 2 and 3 and R equal 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 1. See there, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Therefore what? R is reflexive. Next, 1, 2, 2, 1 have, 2, 3, 3, 2 have and 1, 3, 3, 1 have. Therefore R is symmetric. Symmetric. Next, C 1, 2 and 2, 3. Therefore what? 2, 2 cancel, then what get? 1, 3. And 2, 3 and 3, 1. So if you cancel 3, 2, 3, 3, then what you get? 2, 1. Therefore R is transitive. Since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalent relation. All of you understood? Now you see exercise. Exercise 1, question number 1 is determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So here 1 number question is what? Relation are in a set A equal 1, 2 up to 14, where R equal x, y such that 3x minus y equal 0. So here relation R is what? R equal, when we put x equal 1, then what we get? We 1, 3, because 3 into 1 equal what? 3. So 1, 3 next, 2, 6 next, 3, 9 and 4, 12. 4, 12. Now see, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 not belongs to R. Understood? Next, R is not symmetric because why? Because 1, 3 belongs to R, but 3, 1 not belongs to R, and etc. Other I have also this one, so etc. Next, R is not transitive because 1, 3 and 3, 9 belongs to R. See, 1, 3 and 3, 9 have, but 3, 1, 9 have no. So 1, 9 not belongs to R. All of you see 1, 3 and 3, 9 in the relation R, but 1, 9 is not in the relation R. So R is not transitive. Now 2 number question is relation R in a set N of natural number defined as R equal what given? Relation R in the set N. N means natural number. N is R equal x, y such that y equal x plus 5 and x is less than 4. So what given is x is less than 4, therefore our relation R is what? R equal what we get? If we put 1 in x, then we get what? 6. So 1, 6. Next 2, 7. Next 3, 8. This is because what? X is less than 4, so we can put value of x greater than or equal to 4. Now R is what? Not reflexive because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 not belongs to R. R is not symmetric because 1, 6, because why? 1, 6 belongs to R, but 6, 1 not belongs to R. R is not transitive because In the relation, we cannot get another one element which x value is 6 or which x value is 7 or which x value is 8. So R is not transitive. All of you understood? Now 3 number question is A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, where R equal x, y such that y is divisible by x. Now let x is belongs to A. So what? X is divisible by x, therefore x is divisible by x. Therefore what? X by x. Therefore what? X belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive. Now let xy belongs to A such that xy belongs to R. Therefore what? According to relation, y is divisible by x, but x is not divisible by y, because both x and y are different. Therefore yx not belongs to R. Therefore what? R is not symmetric. Since therefore xy belongs to R but yx not belongs to R, therefore R is not symmetric. Again let xyz belongs to A such that xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. Therefore what? Since xy belongs to R, therefore y is divisible by x and yz belongs to R, so z is divisible by y. Therefore what? Let y equal ax for all a is belongs to z, and here z equal by for all b is belongs to z. Now z equal by, therefore what? Y means ax, so b into ax, therefore b a x. Since a and b both are belongs to z, therefore what? AB belongs to z, so z is divisible by x, therefore xz belongs to R. Therefore what? R is transitive. All of you understand? Now 4 number question is relation R in a set Z of all integers defined as R equal x y such that x minus y is an integer. So R equal x y such that x minus y belongs to z for all x y belongs to z. All of you understand? Therefore let x is belongs to z. Therefore what? X minus x equal 0, which is belongs to z. Therefore x belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Again let xy belongs to z such that xy belongs to R. Then what? Let x minus y equal m. M is belongs to z. Again yx belongs to r. Therefore what? Y minus x equal, we get what? Minus xy equal what? Minus m, which is belongs to z. Therefore yx belongs to r. Therefore r is symmetric. All of you understand? Now write down. And let x, y, z belongs to z, such that x, y belongs to r and y, z belongs to r. Therefore what? X minus y equal m, such that m is belongs to z and y minus z equal n. N is belongs to z. If we take 1 in x minus y equal m and x minus y minus z equal 2, then 1 plus 2 we get x minus y plus y minus z equal m plus n. Since m and n both are integer, therefore m plus n is integer. So x minus z equal m plus n, where m plus n belongs to z. Therefore x minus z belongs to r. Therefore r is transitive. All of you understand? All of you write down. Now in 5 number question, one number is what? R equal xy such that x and y work at the same place. At the same place. So what? Since x and x work at the same place, then x belongs to r. Therefore r is reflexive. Next, let xy belongs to r. Therefore what? X work where y works. Therefore what? Y works where x works. Therefore yx belongs to r. Therefore what? R is symmetric. Again xy belongs to r and yz belongs to r. Therefore what? X and y work at the same place. And here y and z works at the same place. Now see, since x and y work at the same place and y and z works at the same place, x and z works at the same place. Therefore xz belongs to r. Therefore r is transitive. All of you understand? Now b number is r equal xy such that x and y live in the same locality. This question is also same as a number. So all of you write same as a number, just difference is in a number x and y work at the same place, and here x and y live in the same locality. So same as question number A. Okay, all of you write this question also. Now we see C number question. C number is what? R equal xy such that x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Therefore what? R equal xy such that y plus 7 equal x. Therefore what we get? Now let y is belongs to n. Here y plus 7 is not equal to y, so y not belongs to r. Therefore r is not reflexive. Let xy belongs to n such that xy belongs to r. Therefore what? Y plus 7 equal x, but x plus 7 is not equal to y. Therefore yx not belongs to r. Therefore r is not symmetric. All of you understand? Students, r is transitive or not? Check yourself and tell me the answer in comment. Now D number question is r equal xy such that x is wife of y. Is wife of y. Clearly x is not wife of x. Therefore xy not belongs to r. Therefore r is not reflexive. Next, let xy belongs to r. Therefore x is wife of y, but y cannot be wife of x, so y is not wife of x. Therefore yx not belongs to r. Therefore r is not symmetric. Again let xy belongs to r and yz belongs to r. Therefore what? X is wife of y and y is wife of z, which is not possible because a husband never be a wife of another person. So xz not belongs to r. Therefore r is not transitive. All of you understand? Now E number question is r equal xy such that x is father of y. same as D number. In D number, X is wife of Y, and in E number, X is father of Y. Both are same. All of you try it. Now 2 number question is, show that the relation R in the set R of real number defined as R equal AB such that A is less than equal B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So given R equal AB such that AB belongs to R, where A is less than equal B square. So we observe one example that half is not less than equal half of square. Therefore what? R is not reflexive. Again another we observe half less than equal to square, but 2 is not less than equal 1 by half of square. So half 2 belongs to R, but 2 half not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Again we observe two is less than equal minus 3 whole square and minus 3 is less than equal 1 square, but 2 is not less than equal 1 square. Therefore what? Since 2 minus 3 belongs to R and minus 3 1 belongs to R, but 2 1 not belongs to R. Therefore what? R is not transitive. Therefore R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. All of you understand? And remaining all question I shall give you in next video. Students, I request all of you, please share my video with your friends and comment me and subscribe the channel. Thank you.